1. Real name: MrBeast's real name is Jimmy Donaldson. 2. Birth date: he was born on May 7th, 1998, making him a Taurus. 3. YouTube debut: MrBeast started his YouTube channel in 2012, initially focusing on gaming content. 4. Philanthropy: known for his extreme acts of philanthropy. He gained widespread recognition by donating large sums of money to individuals and charitable causes. 5. Team Trees: MrBeast initiated the Team Trees campaign in 2019, aiming to plant 20 million trees by encouraging donations from his audience. 6. MrBeast Burger: he ventured into the restaurant business with MrBeast Burger, a virtual restaurant that operates through food delivery apps. 7. Challenge videos: his early success came from creative challenge videos, including stunts like counting to 100,000 and saying PewDiePie's name 100,000 times. 8. YouTube milestones: MrBeast reached significant YouTube milestones, such as hitting 10 million subscribers in 2018 and later reaching 100 million subscribers in 2021. And now 222 million subscribers. 9. Squid Game recreation: he gained massive views by recreating scenes from the popular series Squid Game in real life, adding his philanthropic touch. 10. Beast philanthropy: MrBeast established the Beast Philanthropy organization to streamline his charitable efforts and make a positive impact globally.